Today activity, observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the mirror. To do this activity, materials required: we stand, concave mirror. Focal length of this concave mirror is 15 centimeters, a candle and a scale. Place the concave mirror on V stand and keep here. Measure the distance in front of the concave mirror as 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40, 50 up to 100 centimeters like this by using the scale. Let us observe the types of images by placing the object at various places. Let us place the object at 100 centimeter distance in front of the concave mirror and observe where do we get the image of the object on the screen. See here we are getting the blurred image here. Again we are getting the blurred image here. Yeah, here we are getting the sharp image. This is a 15 centimeter distance from the mirror. This is a sharp image. So this is a 15 centimeter distance. So object distance is 100 centimeter distance and image distance is 15 centimeters. Nature of the image is diminished image, inverted image, and we are getting the image on the screen, so it is a real image. Now let us place the object at 90 centimeter distance. Now observe the image. Where do we get on the screen? See the image here, blurring here, again blur. Here we are getting the sharp image on the screen. Right, this is a sharp image. See here, the object distance is 90 centimeters. Image distance is 20 centimeters. Right. Nature of the image, this is also small diminished image and inverted image and real image. Let us place the object at 80 centimeters and observe where we get the image of the object. Move the screen to catch the sharp image. Yes, here we are getting sharp image. So this is object distance is 80 centimeters, image distance is 21 centimeters. Nature of the image is again diminished image, inverted image, and we are getting the image on the screen, so it is a real image. Now place the object at 70 centimeter distance in front of the concave mirror. So object distance is 70 centimeters and observe where do we get the image on the screen. So here blur. Here we are getting sharp image. The image distance is 22 centimeters. Object distance is 70 centimeters. Image distance is 22 centimeters. Nature of the image is diminished image, inverted image, and real image. Now place the object at 60 centimeter distance and observe the image. Here blur. Here blur. Here we are getting sharp image. See, the object distance is 60 centimeters, image distance is 23 centimeters. And nature of the image, again diminished image, inverted image and real image. Now place the object at 50 centimeter distance. Here blurring, here again blurring, here we are getting sharp image on the screen. Yeah, this is a image position. The objective distance is 50 centimeters, image distance is 25 centimeters. The nature of the image is diminished image, inverted image, and we are getting the image on the screen, so it is a real image. Now place the object at 40 centimeter distance. Observe where do we get the image on the screen. So here blur here we are getting the sharp image on the screen. So object distance is 40 centimeters and image distance is 27 centimeters. Image distance is 27 centimeters. The nature of the image is diminished image and inverted image, and it is also real image. Now place the object at 30 centimeter distance. Here we are getting blur the image. See here we are getting the sharp image. The object distance is 30 centimeters. So here we are getting the sharp image. Again blur. Here we are getting sharp image. The image distance is also 30 centimeters. Object distance 30 centimeters, image distance also 30 centimeters. The nature of the image is here same size image. This image is same size as object, and this is an inverted image, and it is also a real image. Now place the object at 20 centimeter distance. Observe the image, where do we get the sharp image on the screen. Yeah, here we are getting the sharp image. So object distance is 20 centimeters, image distance is 60 centimeters. The nature of the image is enlarged or magnified image, inverted image and real image. Now change the position of the object. The object at 50 centimeter distance. We get this image. We get the image at infinity distance. When we place the object at 15 centimeter distance, we get the image at infinity distance. So this is also enlarged, magnified image and inverted image, and it is also real image. When you place the object at 10 centimeter distance, so we are not getting the image on the screen. When we placed the object at 10 centimeter distance, so we are not getting the image on screen, but we get the image behind the mirror. See here, behind the mirror. So this image, what is the nature of the image? The image is enlarged or magnified image. Enlarged and magnified the image. This is erect image, and we are not getting the image on the screen, so it is a virtual image. We are getting the image behind the concave mirror, so it is a virtual image.